America's AI boom has one terrifying weakness. Most of the brains still come from an island. China can pressure, blockade, or simply throw into panic. So now, the United States is building a chip fortress in the Arizona desert. And no, this is not some regional job story. This is a national survival story for the AI age. The most expensive construction site on Earth isn't in Dubai. It's here, in the Arizona desert. And it's the only thing standing between the global economy and a total AI collapse.
For decades, the world's most advanced brainpower was concentrated on a single, fragile island, Taiwan. But as the sound of war drums grows louder in the Taiwan Strait, Washington realized a terrifying truth. If the chips stop flowing, modern civilization stops with them. This is why Arizona is no longer just a desert. It is the new Silicon Fortress of the West. But here is the detail Wall Street missed. It's not just about making the chips, it's about packaging them. Most people think a factory is enough, but without the advanced assembly lines, those silicon wafers are just expensive rocks. Right now, the road to AI power still runs through a bottleneck, and Beijing knows exactly where it is. By the end of this decade, this desert will house the most advanced 2-nanometer production lines on the planet. We are talking about billions of dollars from the CHIPS Act flowing into a high-tech ecosystem that didn't exist 5 years ago. This isn't just a factory, it's a strategic insurance policy for the future of compute. But there is one fatal flaw most coverage skips: advanced packaging. You can build the fastest processor in the world, but if you can't connect it to high-speed memory, it's useless. Arizona is the attempt to fix that before Beijing gets a vote. And the part almost nobody is talking about is the one that matters most. Let's be honest. Arizona is not a magic shield. It's labor-intensive and expensive. It requires deep talent transfer, and even with success, the US doesn't instantly replace Taiwan's depth. What we are seeing is controlled interdependence. A desperate race for American leverage in a world that is getting more dangerous by the day. The Arizona gamble is a bet on a future where technology isn't just global, it's secure. If this works, America buys time. If it fails, the AI revolution goes through a geopolitical trap. This is the new map of power. And if you want to stay ahead of the curves that the mainstream media is too slow to report, you need to be here. Subscribe to the channel and join us in the war room for the next shift in global power. I'm out.